Hello everyone, welcome to visit Athena booth in 2022 Computex exhibition. I'm a product manager, Jeremy. Today, I will introduce Athena AI solution applications for you. Advanced AI systems can help us do our work more efficiently, but the development process of those systems can be either challenging or time-consuming. Athena therefore provides various solutions through its Pro AI service to make development, improvement, and deployment process easier and smoother. From retailers building intelligent stores, to hospitals using AI to improve patient care, to manufacturers looking to optimize operations. Based on Athena AI S-D422 bundles NVIDIA A2 GPU card, which is Super Edge qualified by NVIDIA NCS 2.5 certification to operate NVIDIA Fleet Command makes managing AI at the edge easy. Deploying AI inference model from anywhere to anywhere is NVIDIA Fleet Command key feature. NVIDIA Fleet Command is a cloud service that securely deploys, manages, and scales AI applications across distributed edge infrastructure. It offers streamlined deployments, layered security, and detailed monitoring capabilities. So you can go from zero to AI in minutes. NVIDIA Fleet Command simplifies deployments and centralized management of edge AI through a cloud service. After a system is installed at a physical location once, the end-to-end life cycle can be managed by Fleet Command, making it easy to provision, update, and monitor AI at remote locations. If you want to get a fitting inference model quickly, NVIDIA Tau is a better solution for you. NVIDIA Tau is an AI model adaptation framework that lets enterprise application developers fine-tune pre-trained models with custom data to produce highly accurate computer vision, understanding models in hours rather than months, eliminating the need for large training runs and deep AI expertise. NVIDIA Tau can simplify and accelerate the creation of enterprise AI applications and services through CLI and GUI-based solutions. Based on Athena Super Edge and the Mega Edge platforms, you can access AI pre-trained models from NVIDIA NGC Cloud Platform and use Tau solution to simplify the time-consuming parts of a deep learning workflow, from data preparation to training to optimization, shortening the time to value in hours. Athena software team provides customization GUI interface for operation easily and shorten and saves 9% Tau software development schedule. Next, we will introduce powerful remote AI inference tool, NVIDIA Triton. Triton Inference Server streamlines AI inference to enabling teams to deploy, run, and scale trained AI models from any framework on any GPU-based infrastructure. It also supports online POC validation function. Athena software team provides customization GUI interface for operation easily. You can use any edge device, including laptop, pad, and mobile devices, through browser to operate online AI validation process. You will get inference recognition results shortly and propose professional AI solution to your customers. In the factory operating environment, injury prevention detection solutions can reduce personal injury rate and reduce unnecessary cost lost. Using 3D fracture fence solution can achieve more accurate detection of people or objects to improve the recognition accuracy. Athena's competence provides high computing AI inference platform, AIP-SQ37 Mega Edge system to solve factory operating environment pain points. AIP-SQ37 is based on Intel Core i7 or i5 processor with MSN GPU card for AI edge inference application. It supports 6 USB 3.1 Gen 2 and 2 swappable SSD tray for maintenance easily. We are very glad to collaborate with our partner LIPS to bundle 3D fracture fence solution for smart factory vertical application. LIPS CMO Benson is here with me and will share more detail about 3D fracture fence solution. Hi Benson, nice to meet you. Please introduce more detailed LIPS 3D fracture fence solution. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Benson from LIPS. So today, it's my pleasure to introduce a Live Safeguard 3D virtual fence with our partner Athena. So according to US Bureau of Labor Statistics, 40% of work-related injuries is in contact with a harmful object or substances inside the workplace. So to prevent the injuries in the robotic factory, LIFS is developing this GUI-based collision avoidance system. So LIFS Safeguard is working seamlessly with the robotic arms. The workers can define the multiple hazard zones, as you can see on the screen. So if the workers is breaching the virtual fence, the robot will slow down or stop immediately. And the system can detect the workers at the body skeletal level. So as you can see, if my hands is inside the fence, you'll see the robot slow down immediately. So this provides a better coverage than the current laser or infrared-based electronic fence system. That's all for my introduction today. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Benson's introduction. That's impressive. We believe LIFS and Athena's collaboration will provide more and more smart factory vertical total solution applications. We are creating AI ecosystem partnership to integrate hardware and software to provide AI solution package service for you. Don't forget to follow our YouTube and LinkedIn and further product information. Welcome to browse our Athena.com. Thank you.